Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact service identifier and any associated process ID so you know what to target. Once identified, stop dependent apps and disable automatic restart so you can work without immediate retries. Make sure to capture event viewer entries and the service log file for timestamps and error codes. This explains why control messages are rejected. After that, run a diagnostic command like scqueryx and note error codes because they guide the next repair commands. Next, repair system integrity and confirm configuration. Run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/ restore health to fix corrupted system components that handle control messages. Then inspect the service account and ACLs. Incorrect permissions prevent control commands from being accepted. Check the registry start value and service binary path. If hooks or DLLs are involved, re-register them or reinstall the service package. These steps restore the underlying handlers that accept control messages. Finally, restart the host to ensure all changes take effect and then attempt a controlled start using scstart and netstart. Observe status transitions to running. Once running, perform smoke tests and watch Event Viewer for fresh entries. Make sure to re-enable automatic recovery if you disabled it earlier. If problems persist, gather a packet capture, service logs, and precise reproduction steps so you can escalate. One key tip: when control messages fail intermittently, check antivirus or kernel drivers that hook service control paths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.